Hey guys, before I get started with this video, I just wanted to make a quick disclaimer that only the food and candy that I'm using in the DIY is edible. Other supplies used to make the DIY is not edible. I feel like that's pretty obvious, but I know I put DIY edible Christmas gifts in the title, so I just want to make it clear that even though I wrote that in the title, only the candy or food is edible, not the entire DIY. So the first DIY is a hot chocolate mason jar kit. I've seen this all over Pinterest and it's super easy to make. So all you have to do is pour some hot chocolate powder in a mason jar. I ended up using all 6 packs that came in this hot chocolate kit that I actually got from Dollar Tree, and it did have mini marshmallows, but they were like super tiny, so I just decided to add some more mini marshmallows, and to finish it off I just added some peppermint candies. You could crush up candy canes or really add whatever you want. You could even add like chocolate chips, I don't know. And then I just added a ribbon and that was it. This one is super easy, very affordable. You can get all of the ingredients from Dollar Tree and the mason jar, which is awesome. So that is it for the first DIY. The second DIY are candy cane sleighs, and these are super easy to make as well. So all I did was tape 2 mini candy canes together, and if you were actually giving this to someone, you should probably keep the wrapper on the candy canes. And the tape is not edible, but maybe they do sell edible tape, I'm not really sure, but this tape is not edible. And all you have to do is tape a little Hershey's chocolate bar, or well, this one is Mr. Good bar, but you could use whatever you want, and then tape a little Hershey's Kiss on top and you are good to go. This is super cute. For the third DIY, these are reindeer candy bars, and all I'm doing is cutting some little triangles out of brown felt. You could use brown construction paper, I just didn't have any, and yeah, I'm just cutting 4 because I made 2 of these candy bars. Then I'm just taping on some candy canes to the back of the Hershey's candy bar. Then I'm just gluing on some googly eyes and a pom-pom for the red nose, and then I'm also gluing on the little triangles for the ears. I know these don't look perfect, but this is what the reindeer candy bars turned out to look like. I think they're really cute and super easy to make. I would not recommend using hot glue because it will probably melt the chocolate, so that's why I just used regular Elmer's clear glue. So the fourth DIY gift is a candy ornament, and for this I just used a clear plastic ornament that I got from Dollar Tree. Surprise, surprise. They actually sell a bunch of awesome craft supplies there, so I get a lot of my craft supplies there because it's super cheap. And then I just filled it with some chocolates. I used Rolos and Hershey's Kisses, and then I added a ribbon. That's about it. And then I also added a bow that I made in a previous DIY video, and that I also used for one of the DIYs in this video. But that is it. And I think this is really cute. Obviously this would look a lot better if you filled the entire clear ornament with candy, but I didn't have enough candy, so I know it looks kind of weird, but definitely get enough candy to place inside of the ornament because it'll look a lot cuter. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments what other Christmas videos you guys would like to see. If you guys want to see any skit Christmas videos, let me know because I really want to make like more comedy and skit videos. Also, please check out my merch. I will have it linked down below.